Assalamu alaikum and greeting to everyone. It is an honor to have the opportunity to introduce myself. I am MD Mirajul, ID 241555037, and I am currently a third year 7th semester student in the Department of Agricultural Science at Daffodil International University. My CGPA is from the previous semester is 3.77, which reflects my dedication to academic excellence, discipline, and continuous self-improvement. I came from a supportive and hardworking family that has always encouraged me to pursue my goals with determination and integrity. My father is engaged in business activities while my mother is a devoted homemaker. I have two siblings, and together we have been raised with strong values of responsibilities and presence of respect. I completed both my SSC and HSC from Milestone School and College, where I built a strong academic foundation and developed a passion for learning. In my academic life, I am especially interested in plant breeding, genetics, and soil science. Among these, plant breeding interests me the most because it helps develop improved crop varieties and supports sustainable agriculture and food security. To expand my knowledge, I have participated in several workshops and training programs on topics such as artificial intelligence in agricultural, seed business management, agricultural distribution system, and modern agricultural technologies. Besides academics, I enjoy playing cricket. Cricket has taught me discipline, teamwork, leadership, and how to perform under pressure. I have also participated in debating activities which have improved my communication skill, confidence, and critical thinking abilities. My future goal is to become an agricultural researcher and innovator. I want to contribute to the development to improved crop varieties, sustainable farming practice, and modern agricultural technologies that can help farmers and strengthen food securities. In conclusion, I would like to thank everyone for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. I appreciated your time and attention, and I look forward to contributing positively through my knowledge, skills, and dedication. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.